Hello everyone. Today we're going to test the multimeter on the battery and while the car is running. Alright, so first of all, gotta find the alternator. That's right down there. It's got the little red cord in front of it. You can kind of tell the way it is because it's got that kind of copper coloring right there, and it's got that pulley attached to it. So what you want to do first is test your battery while the car is off by just connecting the positive with positive and then the negative to little POV right here. And you can, and this says 12.25 is the voltage. Then you do the same thing when the engine is on. And the voltmeter reads 14.46. While the heater and the headlight were on, the voltmeter read 14.56.